Don't fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. And today I have this look here for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below. And also give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, see how I created this look. Then just keep on watching.
Stop, what? Don't ever stop. This the flow that got the block hot.
No me vuelvo a enamorar. Sigue tu camino que sin ti me va mejor. Ahora tengo a otras que me lo hacen mejor. Si antes yo era un...
So I'm going to be using the Anastasia palette, the Modern Renaissance. I'm sorry it's kind of dirty, so don't mind that. And I'm going to be going in with this brown right here. This is raw sienna, and I'm going to just be placing this all over the eyelid, and this is going to be one of my transition colors. And I am going in with a blending brush. I like to go blend in my transition. With Cypress Umber, it's this dark brown, and I'm just be trying to place this in the crease and just bringing it out a little bit, so kind of wing it out and just make it dark. Back in with that brown shade I used first, called Raw Sienna, and I'm just going to be using this so I could blend in that dark brown because it's a little bit harsh. So I do go in with that transition color to blend it, and then I go in with my blending brush as well. Girl concealer in shade Porcelain, and I'm just going to be cutting my crease, and then I do go in with a brush and I just kind of move it around so it looks a little bit better and it's not too thick. So just kind of be spreading it out, and I am going to be taking this concealer all the way out, so I am going to be winging the concealer out all the way. As you guys could see, I'm winging it out. Shade from this Charlotte and Bloom palette. It's called Charmer, and I'm just going to be setting it. Then I am going to be using this brush right here and going back in with Cypress Umber, that dark brown, and just kind of be placing it in the crease just to build up that intensity and make it a little bit darker, and it looks a little bit more clean when you go back in and apply it on your crease after you have cut your crease. In with the Slay It palette by B Bella, and I'm gonna be using that like dark red, and I don't know why the look turned out different, but I'm using this dark red and just gonna be applying it on the eyelid where I cut the crease with like a flat brush, and just gonna be packing in that shade, and then we'll go in and blend it later. So just bring it all the way, bring it out. As you guys can see, I'm bringing it out. So just everywhere where you apply concealer, you want to apply that eyeshadow. Then I am going to go back in with Raw Sienna, and I'm just going to be blending this in together. So Raw Sienna is going to help me blend that red and the Cypress Umber together. The Morphe palette, and going in with Jax, it's this burgundy red, and just gonna be applying it on top of the other shade. And then I am gonna go in with a blending brush and just gonna be blending everything out, because applying so many colors, you might want to go in and blend it. So make sure you go in and blend. Then I'm gonna be using this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and I'm just going to be applying it on my crease. For the eyeliner, I'm going to go the Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner in the blackest black. Placing this in the bottom of my waterline. Then I am going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill. Use that black shade just to smoke out my waterline. And just going to be placing it there as well. Then for the eyeliner at the top, I'm using the Tarte clay paint. And I'm just going to be doing my eyeliner with this right here. And you guys already know I'm gonna be applying some lashes. I don't know the name of these lashes, but I'll try to put it down below in the description box if you guys are interested. Using this NYX Intense Butter Gloss. To finish this look off, I am going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water just to be setting my face in place. And then I am going to be fanning this out as well.
So this was the end of the video, guys. I did do my face and some lashes, and this is how it came out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next week because I do post every week if you didn't know. And if you would like to see all my videos, go subscribe down below to red button, says subscribe. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any other videos you guys would like me to do, and I'll try to have that up for you guys. So see you guys next week.